Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: location turned on, app permissions granted, and the sharing app installed. Open the chosen app and navigate to Live Location or Share Location feature. This is where you'll generate the link. Once the app is ready, select the live or real-time option rather than a static drop pin and set the duration if prompted. Make sure you're connected to the internet, cellular or Wi-Fi, so the live coordinates update. Once you have the app's live location link, copy it. You'll convert that link into a QR code so others can scan and view live updates. Open a QR code generator, paste the live link, pick a PNG or SVG output, and choose medium or high error correction. This keeps scannability if printed or viewed small. After creating the code, preview it by scanning with a second device to confirm the link opens and displays live tracking. If it does, you're ready to finalize. You finish by sharing the QR where recipients can scan it, printouts, presentations, or an image in chat. Before broad distribution, test scanning with phones on different networks to confirm live updates and that the duration hasn't expired. If someone can't see the live feed, check that your app's live sharing is still active, revoke less restrictive permissions if needed, and confirm the link wasn't converted by a redirector that strips real-time tokens. One quick fix: regenerate the live link and QR if
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.